Hello everyone, Sliming out over here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a fat mushroom. So if you get on the fat mushroom, you start jumping. You start jumping about the same height as a bee hop. Not super high. But if you hold the jump button, you actually will go higher. Higher and higher. For this, you'll go about 4 blocks high and nothing higher. But you can do a few things with this. You can actually bee hop on the actual mushroom. As you see, there are yellow particles, meaning that I bee hopped. Also, if you go high enough, the mushroom will keep the momentum that you jump on. And so, I am just as high as I was, but I am slowly losing momentum. Simple. But if you don't like jumping on fat mushrooms, you can just use a ladder and make a million particles. Looks kinda cool, but the only problem is only you see the particles and no one else. So it's only cool for you. Now I'm going to show you a few cool tricks that you can use with these fat mushrooms. First I'm going to get a boat, and then I'm going to hold jump, and then I'm going to land on these mushrooms, and voila! I just passed 12 blocks of mushrooms. That is incredible. Now you might be wondering, why is there water on these mushrooms? Well, I'm going to teach you. I'm going to show you how high you can get with mushrooms. So first, jumping with no water. Jumping with no water will only get you about 4 blocks tall, not very high. But I want to be able to get to that roof and go even higher. There's a simple trick to do this. I'm going to place a water bucket on the actual mushroom. And let's go. We are now going so much higher. But we still have not reached the roof. So I am going to add a second water. Mushroom with no water only did 4 blocks, and mushroom with water did about 26 blocks. That is very different. Let's try 2 water now. Alrighty, let's see how high we go. And I am now at 104 blocks tall. That is crazy. With water, after you reach about the max height, you will fall and you will lose all momentum. Let's try now with 3 water. Every water bucket you add takes more time to gain momentum. But with every water bucket you add, you will go so much higher. Alright, let's see how high we can get with 3 buckets of water. But for right now, I am at 240 blocks. 240 blocks is the max height for 3 water. That is crazy. Let's try 4 water. You might need to crouch to hit the mushroom because the water might bring you up, but that's okay. Four hundred? No, 398. Come on. Alright, now I'm going to show you what happens if you have 5 water. If you've placed 5 water, it is pretty much impossible to gain momentum. For each jump, I am gaining about 1 block-ish. I am right now stuck at the Y chord 12. I've only gone 12 blocks high, and I am stuck. So yeah, you can't put 5 water buckets, unfortunately. But if you put 4 water buckets and have a little bit of patience, you can go 400 blocks high. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe, and I'll make more educational and entertaining videos. I'll see y'all next time.